Today we are going to know about the technologies that will help you to be a good electrical engineer in 2023. Embedded systems and programming. Learning embedded systems design, programming, and debugging will be key for electrical engineers in 2023. This includes hands-on experience with microcontrollers, FPGAs, and industrial automation systems. Digital design and signal processing. Electrical engineers will need to have a comprehensive understanding of digital design, including digital signal processing, logic design, and RTL programming. Power electronics and control. Electrical engineers need to understand the basics of power electronics and control for applications in renewable energy, electric vehicles, and smart grids. Robotics and autonomous systems. With the rise of autonomous systems, electrical engineers will need to become familiar with the latest robotic and machine learning technologies. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Electrical engineers will need to understand the fundamentals of machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence, AI. Internet of Things, IoT. Electrical engineers will need to gain a solid understanding of IoT technology and how it can be applied to various industry sectors. Augmented reality/virtual reality, AR/VR. Electrical engineers will need to gain a comprehensive understanding of AR/VR technology to develop applications in commercial and industrial settings.